Starlink's network consists of thousands of small satellites orbiting the Earth at altitudes ranging from 340 kilometers to 1,200 kilometers. These satellites are in low Earth orbit, LEO, which is much closer than traditional geostationary satellites that orbit at around 35,786 kilometers. On Earth, Starlink operates ground stations, also called gateways, which are connected to terrestrial fiber networks. These ground stations handle communication between the satellites and the broader internet infrastructure. To connect to the Starlink network, users need a Starlink dish, also called a user terminal. This is a small, phased array antenna that automatically adjusts its position to communicate with the satellites overhead. Satellite to dish. The satellite sends data to the user's dish via radio frequency signals. Satellite to satellite, communication between Starlink satellites is facilitated by inter-satellite links, laser links. This means that data can be passed between satellites in orbit and routed to the nearest ground station instead of always needing to go back down to the Earth's surface. Starlink is continually expanding its satellite constellation to improve coverage, increase speeds, and reduce latency. In addition to providing internet to individuals, Starlink is exploring partnerships